my question basically is focused on the issue of moral distress. In the last year, physicians, nurses, healthcare professionals in general increasingly reported moral distress. Dr. Ulrich and Dr. Grady describe moral distress as the phenomenon in which a healthcare professional, as a moral agent, cannot or does not act on his or her moral judgments because of institutional or internal constraints. My question to you is, have you in your professional career been morally distressed? And if so, how did you handle it? And what advice would you give to our colleagues right now who are suffering moral distress?
You know, I have to say, I'd like to give you an answer that we could build on, but I have not, in my experience, experienced moral distress in the sense of wanting and feeling I needed to do something, but because of institutional or other constraints, have not been able to do that. But I thoroughly understand, you know, what you're talking about, particularly since my wife wrote about it. So it is an important phenomenon. But fortunately, I've not had that kind of constraint that would cause me that kind of distress. So I wish I could say, yes, I did, and this is what I did about it, but I didn't. So I find myself in a situation where I don't have that, which I think is fortunate for me.
Right, thank you.
I just want to express my appreciation for your taking the time to be with us and for helping us out at the Pellegrino Center. It's been great to see you this way. I would love sometime to have the pleasure to meet you in person, but just thanks very much for all you do on behalf of the university and I think in behalf of the American population. It has been nice to have one person that you could trust and know wasn't crazy over the last year. So thanks for